guys, I brought it up coming at the most expensive one except I'm back with another banger young son. It's been a while ngexolile. That's what it's said, but Ladelani. I have a banger that is coming. Actually, it's a banger. Stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe, press the notification button, and also like her and for more videos. Today, as you saw like the title, I'll be pranking Slevy K. I am moving in to his house. Stay tuned. Make sure to like. Hope you enjoy. So you want I was not playing. Like I guys would say, you know. Guess I'm so scared, but if it's your first time here, make sure to subscribe. Press the notification button so you can be notified when the next time I drop another video. Hope this video it's gonna entertain you langithwala. Ngimgcine ngifonele ulokhuzana uGabs ngathi kanje na cele nomjida angamtshela ukuthi ngiyeza ne. So yena uzobe engividorize lapha ya. Like ngiyakhona manje ubanibona nje. So ngibiza imoto nje ngathi ayingise khona. Sesofika 2 minutes nje. It's 5. Yeah, 5 minutes so bese ngifikile khona. Danko. Oh guys, and please follow me on TikTok. Wandile kwalela 25 ngithanda. La ngizoposta khona futhi ama video for TikTok. Mase nginaye like uGabs uSphena usamkele ngithanda. Ngisho i-address yakhe ngoba nina ngiyanazi nina. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you are still watching, it's gonna be a banger. I'm moving in with the Brewell. Yeah. So guys, I just arrived Kasamkelo. Show them. Hey guys, I'm so scared. Like I'm literally scared. My face. Okay, let's go. Suitcase just for moving in with Samkelo. Samkelo boy, I'm sorry boy. I had to move in with you, my brother. I had to. Make sure to subscribe. So bafethu angazi lo mjida lona i-reaction yakhe like izoba njani. But ngiyasaba, like I don't know. Maybe uzongixosha because angimtshelanga, you know. Cela ubuke ne-nephew khona ngisho ulwandle. Lo mjida bafethu uhlala ngasolwandle. Hayibo. I'll be sleeping at his room. Ngithwala. Asambeni. My brother, I'm sorry. If you're watching this, Samkelo, I'm sorry. Guys, don't make noise. Second image. There's one piece. There's someone inside. Yo guys, wait, don't show them. I think I'm a camera lana. Samkelo dog. I'm a camera one face. You guys, I feel like I'll get caught in Zobanjo. As in, what's in Cornell Cabs? I'll see you in Mazakon. Oh, I'm going up right now. Like it's my first time. Dog, this house is big. Yo, Samkelo fit you living alone. Shake, wait, we're just injured. No, dog, basketball. Shit, guys, I'm scared. Dog, give us Samkelo fit. Shit. Okay, let me not make noise, ne? Dog, give us Samkelo. knocking. But it's like I'm so scared, like I don't know. Like OP, like you know what's exactly. Say hi to Mkabizi's family. Say hi to Mkabizi's family.
Hi, Mkabizi's family.
So but so like I told OB I'm coming and you know what's you would ngila. Sleep here guys. Don't have close. Still on Christmas. So when you're here, man, your boy. And so perfect. So yes, perfect. So perfect. So I'm moving here. So hey yo, finally moving into my new house. Boy. Hey boy. What's up, boy? Yeah, boy, so moving in with you, man. You crazy, my boy. I'll be sleeping here. I'll be watching TV. That's it. So you come here, let me linga, baby. Ngala. My boy. I'm your new brother. Actually, I'm your father. I'm in charge in this house. I'm sorry. So, Bafetsu, a house tour. I told him my toes. You want boy and come in down manje. I'll follow your lead, ne? I'm sorry. So I'm going to my new room. Wait, I'll pay it in and put the chairs and so. Actually, I told OB, I'm sorry, as my boy, like sit also pay How are you feeling since I've moved in with you? Mshanan, because I'm chaos. I will have a second so travel. So guys, siyothenga ukudla. Yabo njengoba bawabo kadlala. Njengophuta bomdala. We grabbing food. Then I'm it's like it's my first time coming here. So I'm shy sit on Danami. Siyobangena boy.
Sazobangena mhlanje
Danami kusazoba busy. Ngithola so singena nje ngo2020 so besingena ku2026 izobe vele ezikhala vele already. Ngithola Sayobangena Mkabizi's family. Oof. Afet out of 10 like calcium like ni rate habani. Yo. OB. Then I'm like shut like say like you handling like bangakuthola
Instagram Cubs OB. Wonke ama social media Cubs OB.
Cubs OB. Ngithole. Mukhabela wandile kwanele 25 Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. Ngithole. But ama-handle lami nizobona kwi-description ngithole. Lapho nje uyabuka lo muntu uthola imali kutshela. Hayi phela abantu ngiyancika yefana ku peanuts engisho uthana ngami.
Manje lama ads.
Yeah. So we watching my video right now. Do you want to come on?
Yabona but uyenze
sure
ungabe ukuthi
imaki njoba uthi angifake like isound like kanjalo ngifake mhlambe if like kukhona like sing like singasakhulumi khona if like
ma change scene yabo njoba ufaka isini lesini le ungene nje fake yona mase change scene futhi uphinde ufake isound ithola ingoma mesekile idlala mase change scene futhi kami mawuthi sesiyidolo uphinde ufake isound futhi
sure
idolo ithule isound senze into esenzayo
and like ngoba clean
mase change futhi indawo ufake isound futhi kanjalo.
Hey guys, so we here at Woolies. doing some grocery. Sibona sopheka namhlanje ebusuku. Kuyafana futhi. Sopheka into esoyidla mase siyahamba. Ahleli. Yabo. Yabanda. Too much. Just finished shopping, guys. Niwanibona. Going now. As manyangizwa yini but umsindo la. It's very too much. Yo. Siyendi manje. Huh? Sikumala. Itroli siphuma na. So about to go now. Sending manje. Qedile ukuthenga izinto igrocery. Angithola into esizola la sidlile. Even though sisazohamba, you know. Yeah. What's up, boy? This is the view. Yini kamele mole.
Sidon.
Sidon. Imazi mtoti. Okay. Muntu lana bafethu. So it's my first time entering like this mall. Yazi uzothenga la. Nje sothenga kulokhuzana izinto nje sisebenzisa endlini yabo. We are going. It's a walkable distance, 2 minutes vele. So ningathutha samba ngeenyawo nyi simbona uTikTok kanti namba ngeenyawo sanga la iduze ngithola 2 minutes inyana fethu yazi bafethu like ngiyahifuzela bafethu yabo uba ngihifuzela kazi like isichakha izinja ayisichakha inkonkosile ngaphandle
Lizolenda la. Awubethanda lizolenda akukho kude lapha.
Inkinga manje bekuzobe inkinga usi ibuyele. Yo. Maspiri boy. Mbanjani nami?
What's the story?
My bro. How are you doing? How are you?
Ngivele.
Ngiskromshas. Isho. Lengane le. Ntwana yami, isho. Lalela. Ntwana yami.
Unoye vethu ngeke sihambe vethu isikhathi sihambe.
Ehlisa umoya sohamba mfethu yezwa. Kodwa manje ngifuna futhi utshela abantu besubscribe nje kuphela. Ngiyazi ukuthi mfethu.
Nangezona into ngithenelene.
Bakuzwa. Otherwise sobantu bazokaka. Angithola.
Yabona, ishani yabona. Uyancika nje. Ngoba uzwa.
Abahlanya lapha. Bafethu we are about to fly.
Welcome.
Sanga khona, sayoba ngene. Yabo
Bye. Lesinoke kamnandi phela.
uyabona mase kufaka amaqabunga.
Hambeni nomshuda
It's about to go down.
Ngicela ubuke. Samela fasa amateki.
Bethu samkelo mfethu.
Imanzi.
Alright guys, we made it to 2026. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe, Bantana. Wow. Hey guys, so umhlaka wa namhlanje day 2 yangithola sila kwamashu enyala center yangithola how it's day 2 vele emhlanje ma 6 ama text la mfethu
Sazoba na day 3 mundo tamata.
yangithola which is tomorrow.
So what's going on, everybody? It's your boy. Slav. I'm not the president.
Lapho jazi manje sisizina ukuphephiseke ho. Awusebenzi nganali ikhadi la ngifakele inyuka la sekhipheni ufana ama charges. So stay tuned for more content, for more upcoming places. And so we are traveling. Hey, I always came. Very too.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy, yo.
Very too. Oh, I feel like people like always like wanna like to ask you, Guti, why unga upload like on your YouTube channel?
2026, we getting crazy, trust.
Ooh. Mzwile bafethu. Senginibuze leli. So,
Thank on.
Mzwile, stay tuned bafethu. Go subscribe to his channel, Marcus. Yeah. And subscribe to my channel, obviously.
Oh, sexy, pick up his bed.
Monaraga.
Anaraga.
Abafana bangaphumuli.
Ndotamatata.
Amadoda.
Amabroneta ndotamatata.
Uphobisi.
So, nangutata.
Copyright please.
No, call me ngotata. Nangutata kodwa.
But yeah, papa, I'll keep it fly.
Nangutata.
I'll keep it fly level.
Dead.
Mbo, betulutebe.
Instagram, now TikTok, no Facebook.
I should say ukuthi udume ba.
It's sexy little video. It's sexy video.
Ayikho sexy bafu betulutebe lonke.
Bafo.
Bathi uyacula.
Lapho sistage.
Happy
birthday, Beyonce.
Okay, tell me my little bit.
Wow, now umkhawuzazayo.
Ngeke ngivale.
Ngayivale lo video.
Ngeke ngivale.
Ubani
Oh,
osexy.
liyaphawula lo debo ngemuva. Liyaphawula.
Sengibantala futhi.
Uba osexy la.
Ababonanga kahle.
Okay, mana bafu yabona laka. Futhi na intombi yakho nesitulo. Ngathi uJojo Teng.
Sibo.
Awena le lo.
Awena nje. Ya.
Kubezi isesiyo isidodla.
Busy yaphawula kanti ulambe. Ubalo mfishana nje.
Ububezi awibambe lapha.
Afashuthi mina.
Kancane nje 2 minutes nje nasoyini.
Shoot this bird.
What's this was?
Mbolo baba.
Mntwana yami wena bese uyangixaka mfethu wafethu ungakhulumi mfethu. Labantu laba ababuka la bayakuthanda mfethu. Isho something siyazi ukuthi ulambile khuluma something ke at least mfethu awufethu.
La kuthiwa ngikhulume ngilapha.
Hey guys, so we're going back home. Siphuma kwamashu. Sibuyele endlini manje mfethu. Going to freshen up. Can't tell. Yazi ngathi angishuthelanga la i-New Year's video yazi yabo sengithi i-countdown leya leyo New Year leyo ngo-12 ngishuthe for TikTok kuse angikwazanga washo ukuthi because like beseThekwini ngithola so lezo wabona nje kwama-video on TikTok on my account yabo. Hopefully the video link is a dropper before I post my video.